Yo, what's up everybody? So today I brought my green truck. There's a few things that I want to work on it right now. They're easy fixes, so hopefully it doesn't take me long to do. And I always see this wrong on a lot of Chevy trucks or GMCs. They're always missing the little trim, or the little rod is sticking up, is missing that little clip that goes on this side. So I want to fix that, and I want to change out my LED bulbs on here on both sides. I was able to buy this piece right here, the one that only has the switches for the front two windows, because it's a single cab. I have this right here. I got these. I still need to buy these little grills for the door panels, because I think I'm gonna just keep them and just add the grill to them. Got a new dash bezel thanks to Desigual team. Yeah, go check him out on his YouTube channel, on Instagram. For the interior, I think, oh, this one too, I want to change this out. I bought that one. I think that's it. It's just something little easy stuff that I want to change out. I've been having the parts already, so I just need to do it. And I mainly want to change this out, but I still need to buy it. I need to go find it somewhere. If anybody has one that's in good condition, let me know. That I need to buy ASAP, because I can't stand all these cracks on it. For the interior, for the most part, that's it. The dash and the grills right here that I'm missing. Let me open this tailgate and I'll show you the parts that I bought. Let me try to rig this up real quick. Alright. So this is a dash bezel. Real good condition. Looks almost brand new. Just a little bit of dirty right here. See, the paint's not even faded anywhere. So I want to change that out. This headlight switch, I want to change it out. These are the plate lights. They replaced the whole little housing, built-in LEDs already. And this is the part for the switches. These are little plastics that hold the rod that's inside here to open the handle. The one I'm gonna need is this little tannish, grayish looking one. And this is the lock for the tailgate handle. So let me get started. I guess I'll do. Let me see what's easier to do. I guess I'll start with the plate lights. Then I'll make my way up to the handle. Then I'll do the interior. Get out. And just take the bulb off. All this stuff, those bulbs, I already had them whenever I bought the truck. See, two different bulbs. You just got to make sure you align the positive with the positive, and that way you don't burn anything. So I'm gonna have to put this down. Let me test them on. You see it? They're pretty bright, and you just put them in the same way as you took them out. Alright, so there it goes. Now I'm gonna just do this real quick, the little clip. Alright, so I'm gonna try to do everything with one hand. Hopefully I can do it. Usually just put the little rod in first to that hole, and then just clip it up. Like that. Gotta make it inside that hole, so let's see. Oh, you know what? I think the plastic goes in first. let me take this off. I think the plastic goes in first. Sorry guys, I know it's kind of hard to see. I'm trying to do it with one hand. Yeah, and that goes in, and this little clip just comes up. There it goes. Alright, so that's that. Now I have to put this cover on there and the lock. This is gonna be a lot harder to record with one hand. Let me try. Alright, for this one you gotta remove this bolt, 1/2 inch. Get this and throw it away. It's like, no, don't throw it away, you might need it. All right, so basically this is gonna go underneath here. It's gonna go inside there. You're gonna put that bolt back on and then put the cover over it, and that's it. It's pretty simple. So it is kind of hard to do it with one hand only. So I'll just show you guys the end result. I mean, I'm telling you, just put that bolt in here. This goes back in there. There's a little hole in there for it. And that goes like that. And then that cover just comes up here. And that's it. You know what, I'm gonna replace this one too, because it already looks kind of old and I don't want to have that issue. This one, like if it's too brittle, it just breaks on me and I have to fix it anyway. So I'm gonna just change that out. Alright, it's already installed it. Right now it's unlocked. You see it opens. Now when I lock it, won't work. Unlock it. I mean, when I locked it, it wouldn't open. Now that it's unlocked, there it goes. Just gotta put this little cover, and that's it. All right, so that fixed that issue. Now time to go inside, do these lights. Over this. Oh yeah, the switch, the bezel. The switch cover. Well, I don't know what you call this, but yeah, let's go through that. So I'm gonna do the bezel first. Oh, you know what, another thing that I want to change out is my cluster. My cluster be tripping. A veces dice que no traigo gas, como ahorita no marca gas, y de repente está halfway y de repente está lleno. Digo, prefiero que esté aquí todo lleno todo el tiempo, ¿verdad? Pero sí falla, se mueve y a veces me marca aquí palabras en español, luego en inglés y luego en francés, y no, pues yo no le entiendo francés. Bueno, nomás french fries, pero ya es todo. Vamos a quitar esta lucecita que tiene aquí de la lado. Luego ya pongo todo el tablero. Este nomás tiene un plug ahí. ver si le funcionan las lucecitas. Aunque se ven bien verdes. Pero ahora sí ya funcionan. Luego después se las quiero cambiar a LED blancas. También todo el tablero. Pero este ya no. A lo mejor todavía lo pueden hacer funcionar. Quizás nomás las luces de adentro estaban fundidas. Y lo que me gustaba de este es que aquí tenía una lucecita que te marcaba cuando estaban las luces prendidas. Pero igual este jala bien. Pongo el tablero nuevo. También no hay, sí. Podría haber un pegamento para pegar aquí el tablero. Pedazo de un chicle ahí nomás para que se detenga. Ahora sí, ya quedó el tablero. Now it matches. This color was like a black, I guess. So estaba diferente los colors. But this one's actually still in really good shape. So if someone needs a dash, hit me up. Now I'm gonna do this real quick and this. Oh, I say quick, pero a ver si no está muy pegado, porque este lo habían pegado aquí. So a ver si no me tardo ahí. Alright, so ya quité esta plano. There is the plug for the LED bulb there, so that's good. Más que esta madre está bien pegada. I don't know, I gotta take it off. Let me see if I can. Alright, so I took it off. Está bien pegado allí, right here. Now let me see if it's gonna work for what I want to do. I might have to buy the whole switches. Maybe not. So voy a quitar estos switches de aquí. I mean, the color is almost the same. Le combina más como que era este, pero está bien feo ya. Deja ver si puedo quitar esta pieza, levantando esos clips, sacando los buttons. I might have to break these, a ver qué le hago ahí para hacerlo otra vez. Alright, so this is the plan, to take this off and basically put this one on here. But I got these switches here. So I'm gonna try to just see if I could pop them off. Como que esto no los ocupo. A ver si los puedo quebrar. A ver si no molesta esa pieza ahí. O a ver si no hace un corto. Si hace un corto ya valió madre. Pues deja ver, a ver qué le puedo hacer ahí. Y ahí se quedó. Nomás quebré esta parte de los botones ahí. Y ya lo senté ahí. Pero a ver si jala, porque cuando había quitado esta madre se doblaban unos cierritos ahí adentro. Looks a lot better. Y esa nomás ver ahí sentado. So that's how it looks. I know the shade's a little bit off, but I like it. I like how it looks now. I put an LED bulb in here right now, but the lights don't work. Maybe this has to be connected. If not, then there's probably a short somewhere or a fuse that's burnt. I'll check into that later. Let me put this back up. It's weird, out of nowhere the light turned on, but now my switches for the window on this one don't work. I know that side still works, But a lo mejor se quemó algo cause since I broke that. I'm not sure, man. I'm not allowed to look for another one. Buy some new ones. Yeah, it's not working. I'll just have to look for another one and buy a new one. Let me put this door panel back. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I'm gonna have to buy a new switch for my windows because apparently se quemó, or I know the pins a lo mejor se dobló uno, so I'll probably just have to take it off again and try to fix it or whatever, or not just buy a new switch. And I know some people were asking me about stickers or the decals that watch out little boy, so I did get some done again, and I opened up a website. It's called hamhtx.com, so I'll put these on there. I have these in white, silver, red, blue, and black. Same with these. This is La Vieja Escuela, and this is keeping it old school. They're meant more for like my dualies and like my C10 and like old school trucks, but you know, you can put them on whatever. And I do plan on doing a giveaway. I'm not sure yet what to give out, so if you guys have any suggestions, put them in the comments. And if you do buy anything online, I'm gonna still, it don't matter if you bought it as soon as this video drops or like in a week or so, whatever, but I will put you in the giveaway. So I'm not sure yet exactly what I want to give out, and no, I don't want to give out my C10. But thanks again for everyone's support. Thanks for watching, and y'all stay safe. All right, for the giveaway, I decided to give out this Pioneer Double Din NEX 1400, Apple CarPlay, Pandora, Spotify, Android Auto, 6.2 inch screen. Pretty nice.